I'm Dave from Liquid Eye Water Housing Systems, and in this tutorial I'm going to point out some ways to lengthen your water time with the Sony Alpha series. Because of its compact size, the Sony a6000 series and even the a7, a9 series, battery life can be an issue. There are several ways to save the battery, and the internet has tons of tips about this. Liquid Eye's housings for Sony's Alpha series cameras have a power on-off switch located on the top of the housing. When suiting up, stretching, or whatever you do before swimming out, you can turn off the camera power after the camera is loaded in the housing. Just don't forget to turn it back on when you hit the lineup, or you might miss the wave of the day. Now, let's run through some ways to save battery life through the camera settings. Auto Finder Monitor. Choose one depending on what you're shooting that day. The auto setting will quickly deplete the battery. Take into consideration the position of the sun and glare when choosing between finder or monitor. If you need to, this setting is changeable even when you're in the water. The monitor uses less battery than the viewfinder. You can get approximately 50 more shots when set on monitor. You can also lower the brightness for monitor. This is effective when shooting with wide-angle lenses where you're not framing your shots. Set to finder mode if you're shooting with a longer focal length and need to frame shots. If you can lower the finder frame rate to 60 FPS, it helps too. However, it takes some getting used to. Turn off auto review, turn off red eye reduction, turn off smile face detect, turn off wind reduction, turn off dual video record if possible, and turn on airplane mode. Reduce the power save start time to 10 seconds for best results. Keep in mind that you need to wake up the camera before firing away. Reviewing photos and/or deleting them while in the water will quickly deplete the battery. Save it for the parking lot. Use faster memory cards. When you use slower memory cards, it takes more time for the camera to write the data onto the card, so the processor is doing more work for a longer period of time, which drains the battery. If you use a faster memory card, the processor will write the data faster and in a shorter period of time, saving your battery life. Get to know your camera, and if you find something that works well for you, share it by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we're always making new videos. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy shooting.